Spotted this lifted van. Every time I see a lifted van, I want to know what brand it is. So let me cross the street here and check this thing out. It's an action van suspension. You know how I know? Camberg and that other company, they use bent I-beams. This is a drop down bracket. I should have went with an action van suspension and saved a bunch of money and got a rear locker. Yeah, this thing's nice. I have company. You guys want to be in my video? So here's my lift kit, Camberg style, bent I-beam. The other lifted van I spotted, the I-beam was still straight like factory. It achieved a lift with the drop down bracket, and then he had the steering stabilizer. Yeah, when I spot a lifted van, I'm always wondering, what kit did they use? Seems like action van's really popular. Every time I spot a lifted van, it's an action van. I haven't seen Camberg or the other company in the wild. Bent I-beam kits are supposed to be better for alignment than the drop down brackets. Still got an alignment issue, so I had to get this realigned. I went with the Firestone lifetime alignment, so if it ever happens again, I'll just get it realigned. I should have went with the action van suspension and saved a bunch of money and got a rear locker the same day I got the suspension. My first van build had an action van suspension, and that never had alignment issues. I went with the expensive kit and got alignment issues, so this is all chewed up right here. It's gone. Stock 245s. Look at that wheel gap. You could fit your head in this wheel gap. I always said if I got bigger tires, I'm gonna go 265 to try to retain my 16 to 17 miles per gallon that I get. But you know what? Fuel prices are so high right now. I'm going with 285s. I only use this for road trips now and take it to work once a week just to keep it moving.